Hello, in this video I will show you how to work with the History tab. So, this functionality of this tab allow you to roll back the changes in the data if you think that entered data is not right. Works for all kinds of columns and doesn't work if you deleted, created products, and also if you create any terms. Let's not be roll it back. And doesn't work with variations, advanced bulk operations. So it works only with the data in the fields. So if you, for example, change any title and you decided that it's wrong, you can of course change it back by hands in this current example. But also you can use the history. Here you can see operation where you can see ID of the product, its title, field key, so where we done the operation on the post title, time, and previous value. Let's revert it. The same you can do with the prices. For example, let's set 10 here, so we have 10 here, and we can roll back it. Okay, it's done. History also works for binary editing operations, because binary editing it's one kind of bulk operation. It's more here for 20%. As you can see, it's changed. Let's roll back it. Done. It's rolled back. The same we can do using the bulk operation. For example, let's filter by vendor and select end. So products should has vendor 1 and vendor 3 by the logic. Yes, we found 4 products, and let's do bulk operation with them. For example, change the title. Let's append ID of the product at the end of its title, and let's add to all them new category, cat 11, append. So we are doing bulk operation with 2 fields, with all filtered products. Do bulk. Done. So what we can see here, to all the filtered products added term cat 11. And here you can see that we selected only vendors which has first and third term, and to their titles added their ID. And what about we decided, no, it's wrong way. I don't want this data to be applied. Let's go to the history, and what we can see here, bulk operation with 4 products, columns, title, and categories. Let's revert it. Reverting is going, so we can see results. As you can see here, ID being removed, cat 11 being removed, so the data being fixed. So that's all. I've shown you that the history works as with the solo operation, so with the bulk operation. By the way, shortly here we can see solo operations filter and bulk operation. As we have no bulk operations here, we can see nothing. This is for your convenience. Also, before working day, I can recommend you clear the history to avoid confusing with the data on the next day. So just press clear the history and history will be cleared. And remember, if some users working on your shop, for example, some shop managers, they have their own history. So let me demonstrate you. So just now we logged it in as shop manager. So let's do something. We changed history here, and let's select enter here 72. As you can see, we have different history. And what about if I will clear the history? If all these user clears the history, doesn't matter. Let me clear the history and let's update his page here to see if the history being changed. No, the history belongs to this user. So that's all. See you.